that you don't simply publish our stories. You shine a light on the stories that could make a difference. An article about a client's journey might just be an inspiration a reader needs to secure his or her brighter future. An interview with a Sun Life advisor may be the key for a viewer to explore becoming an advisor and thrive in this industry. A feature of one of our community projects may inspire other organizations to pursue sustainability. Simply put,